Hello, Mario. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw the graphic scale, but I've just noticed that I haven't got it drawn quite so well on one of my previous plans that I'm using as an example, but nonetheless we'll just have to work with what we've got, and let's see how we go with this. I just looked at the sheet 2. Oh, sheet 1's fine. So yeah, we're going to work with this. So the graphic scale. So first of all, we've got our scale there of 1 to 50. Now we're drawing the graphic scale. We're drawing the graphic scale in paper space. Now in paper space, everything's in millimeters. So our model space scale is 1 to 50. Now what that means is that 1 millimeter equals 50 millimeters. 1 millimeter equals 50 millimeters. So 2 millimeters will equal 100 millimeters. 1 millimeter equals 50 millimeters. 2 millimeters equals 100. So let's get in here with this scale. So first of all, I'm going to just draw a line, and I'm just going to turn on my ortho snap there, and I'm just going to draw a line in here like so, and I'm just going to go about that far. So we don't want it touching the lines there, or perhaps we could make it just a little bit longer. We'll see how that pans out. So there we go to there, possibly just in here, and we can move it around. Now I'm going to offset that approximately 1 millimeter. So offset, oh, it's not, I don't know why that's doing that. O for offset, and I'm going to go 1 enter. Okay, so there's my 1 there, and there. So I'm just going to do 2 like that, and I'm just going to do a line in here like this. Turn on my object snaps. Boom, boom. Okay. Alrighty. So now what we want is, I'm going to just do it in 100 millimeter lengths. So I'm going to go offset, enter, and I'm going to go with 2 millimeters. Remembering that 2 millimeters at the scale represents 100 millimeters. There. And here we go, we're going right through here like this, like, oops, okay, I've just got a little bit offset, enter, 2, enter, and yeah, we're just gonna, yeah, so let's keep going here. And we're just going every 2 millimeters, which of course is 100 millimeters, and I'm just going right through here, right through to the end. So it's very important that you make sure you get the scale right. Obviously different scales will have different divisions. Okay, so let's go, I've got that through to there like that, through to there, still going. Okay, might just zoom in a bit more just to make it a little bit easier. Boom, boom, yep. Okay, coming up to the end, yeah, and okay, and we'll just extend to there, stop selection, yep, so that's got us through there. Okay, now I'm just going to draw a line up here, and I'll make that 1 millimeter as well, 1 millimeter, like so, and then I'm going to copy that, CP for copy, and I'm going to put that at 500. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like so there. Okay. And then I can put another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've just got 4 left there. Okay, so that's there. And then in there, I'm going to put some lettering, just single line text, just in there like that. I'm going to go with 0, but I fear that's a little bit too big, and I want these lines, that's just way too big for what I want. So I'm going to drop that down. So in some cases we can use very small, 1.5, like that there. Okay, alright, so let's put that in there like that. So that's just going to go, I'm just going to move that right over the top of the little index thing there. Also I need to just turn that off, turn the snaps off. And I'll just put that up there like that, 5. So that'll be 0. Yep. Okay. And then we're going to do the, so I'll just do CP just to copy these all in. Oops, select that. CP for copy. Put it in. Turn my snaps on again. Get it there. Okay, so that'll be 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and that'll be 2,500. So there they are, they're all just sitting up there. Okay, so let's get them all labelled up. So double click, 500. Yeah, enter this one here, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and 2,500. Oops. Okay, are they looking all right? I think I can live with those. That's that there like that. Now, I just might position that a little bit better. So I'm going to just go from here. Oh, no, that's not working so good. Let's turn the ortho on so we can get this selection thing going a little bit better. Ah. Not going so well here. So trying to get everything selected here. That's better. Okay, so hopefully I've got everything selected there, and we're going to just move it just down a little bit there, maybe just down to there, and then I'll put the graphic scale, I'll write the graphic scale underneath so that we know what it is. Yeah, so that's better there. Or perhaps if I write that underneath, Now, just do the text here. 1 to 50 at A2. Oh, no, we don't need that because this is a graphic scale. So as the size of the sheet changes, so will the scale change. So I might just get in here and just move it down a bit more central if I can. Yeah, center. Want to, but we've got everything there. Let's get out of there. Just move it down a little bit more. Just over here. Move. Oh, Control Z, put it back. Should be selecting. The selections are getting a bit of a nightmare here. Why? Okay. I need to go right in here. Move, so let's just move it down there a little bit. That's sort of, yeah, more central. So I'm not going to write what the scale is because we should know and it's written on the plan. Right, and now we're just going to do hatch, solid hatch, and that should get these little, oh, before I do that, I just want to get all of these line types here. I'm going to make those, the line type there. Oh, cancel. Just want to make that line type. So I'm having some interesting selection issues here. Oh, why is it doing that? I don't want that there to be selected. So that's all I want selected there. Okay, and I'm just going to go with a line weight here, just putting the line weight to 0, just to give a nice fine line in there. So that should be everything there. Now I'm going to do my solid hatch, which is hatch enter. So some little finicky little bits in there. Bang, 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 bang. Enter. Oh, the hatch is all gone a bit AWOL. Okay, so that's 1, 2. Yeah. Okay, and then we'll do another just hatch for the next little bit. There. There, 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 there. Enter, and the hatch again. Should be solid. Okay, so we're just gradually building up a nice little graphical scale there. Let's try and get this bigger. Hatch, enter. I want it on that one. So there we are, a nice little graphical scale there. Let's see if we can get out of there. I don't know why those little blue lines are persisting there, but what the hell is going on there? What that is about. Get them back into there. Okay, so that's got everything back to normal, one would hope. And so there's our graphical scale in there. Some little problems, you've got to be very precise with your mouse and your selections. And they're in millimeters, so that's the graphic scale, millimeters there. So that means that if the sheet is photocopied, scaled up or scaled down, that the graphical scale will stay true, and we can perhaps get a bit of an idea of what's happened and use it to scale some things off. So there you go, there's your graphical scale. Cheers, see you.